Hello everyone, my name is Emuesiri. You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of two smartwatches. They are the Oraimo OSW-16 watches. So what happened is this: I needed to buy a couple of gifts for some people, and someone recommended the Oraimo OSW-16 smartwatch to me. So I got them. Currently, Oraimo is offering its free delivery services to different states in Nigeria, and they're also giving discounts on all their products. I'll leave the link to the site in the description box. So if it sounds like something you would want to check out or that you're interested in, of course, by all means, be my guest.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief.
So I got those two little things, and I just decided to show you how it looks like and how it works, and if it's something that you're interested in buying, you would know what you're getting into before you make your decision. At least you have options to choose from, because I got two. One is black and one is grey. So without much ado, let's get right into the video as usual. you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe and click the like button also, so YouTube can also share it with other people. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video.